Today on How It's Made. Aerospace fasteners. An aircraft must be able to withstand extreme conditions and stress. So it's critical that the fasteners holding the parts of the aircraft together are made to precise technical specifications from high-strength, corrosion-resistant materials. This company manufactures fasteners for all types of aircraft. These screws and bolts are made of aerospace-grade stainless steel. It arrives from the steel mill as coil. Certain fasteners are coated with copper, which acts as a lubricant, and the company further lubricates them with powdered soaps and other chemicals. This prevents the coil from catching as this drawing machine pulls it through a round die. Wire from the drawing machine enters this bolt-forming machine. First, it heats the wire and cuts pieces called blanks. Each blank then passes through 5 different dies, each of which progressively shapes it into a bolt.